Hey squad, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Yuri Tochila, and let's get started. Today we are diving into project scope and the project scope statement, what they mean, how they differ, and how to create one. Let's start with project scope. Project scope defines the work required to deliver the agreed product, service, or result. It defines what work will be performed, what deliverables will be produced, what is included, what is excluded. In simple terms, project scope defines the boundaries of the work. Think of project scope as the content. Now let's discuss the project scope statement. The project scope statement is the formal document that describes the project scope in detail. It typically includes product scope description, major deliverables, acceptance criteria, project exclusions, constraints, assumptions. Think of project scope statement as the container that explains the content. Let's check out a fitness app example. Project scope. This project includes designing and developing a mobile fitness app. Features: workout tracker, meal planner, social sharing. It excludes wearable device integration. Project scope statement. This project will deliver a mobile fitness application including major deliverables, workout tracker functionality, meal planner functionality, social sharing capability, exclusions, wearable device integration. Constraints: budget limited to 200,000, schedule limited to 6 months. Acceptance criteria: 90% of beta testers provide a rating of 4 stars or higher. Why the difference between project scope and project scope statement matters? If we only talk about scope but never lock it down in a statement, people can still slip in changes, argue about deliverables, or push back later with "oh, I thought that was included." But when we have a scope statement, we can point back to it and say, "Nope, this is what we agreed on." It keeps the team aligned and provides a formal reference point for change control. How to create a project scope statement? Firstly, collect requirements. Identify stakeholder needs and document them clearly. Secondly, define project scope. Develop a detailed description of the project and product scope. Thirdly, develop the project scope statement. Document key elements such as deliverables, acceptance criteria, exclusions, constraints, assumptions. Fourthly, create the WBS. Decompose deliverables into manageable components. Fifthly, establish the scope baseline. Obtain formal approval of scope statement, WBS, WBS dictionary. After approval, scope is controlled through the perform integrated change control process. Alright, that's all for today. Don't miss out, hit like and subscribe. Stay awesome, and as always, peace.